Welcome to the CDD Vault Electronic Laboratory Notebook Feature Tour. The CDD Vault Informatics platform offers an ELN, which allows you to store and search across your unstructured experimental data. The ELN is also tightly integrated with the activity and registration database, allowing you to make connections between your structured and unstructured data. In this particular ELN entry, I will be highlighting the features of the CDD Vault ELN. You have a title section, some administrative controls allowing you to lock an entry and utilize a witnessing workflow. You can export your entries, view an audit trail since multiple users can be editing one ELN entry at the same time, depending on their permissions. And you could even duplicate entries, allowing users to work off of templates that have been predefined for them. In addition, you have these configurable user-defined metadata fields within the ELN, allowing you to capture additional information such as experimental types in controlled vocabulary pick lists, free text fields, date pickers, and file attachment fields. These fields are intended to help you sort through your complex ELN entries. Moving into the body of the ELN, it starts off as a blank canvas, and you can utilize the text editing features up here in the toolbar in order to populate purpose, materials, and methods using various text sizes, colors, bold, underline, italics, and also utilize these interactive checklists, which can be very helpful when working through a multi-step experiment. While all of this is fully searchable within the ELN, when you want to start connecting the ELN to our registration system, you can start doing that in the concept of linking. You would insert a link in the toolbar, search for a vault synonym or registration ID, and then we would populate a link right on your page. I've done that with my materials table linking out to particular cell lines. You can see this A375 cell line is underlined, and if I click on it, I will be taken to the activity and registration system where this particular batch of this cell line that I have used has been registered. We will also maintain a link back to the particular ELN entry that I was just in automatically. Navigating back to the ELN entry, once you have gone through your methods section, you will want to start uploading data. You can actually register biological entities, such as nucleic acid sequences, directly from the ELN to the registration system, simply by clicking this Insert New Entity button up here in the toolbar. In addition, you can upload any file attachment type you like right into the body of the ELN, simply by dragging and dropping or utilizing the Insert Attachment icon in the toolbar. Images and PDFs will be rendered as a thumbnail right on the page. Other file types that are not directly read by CDD Vault will show up as a thumbnail that you can download to your desktop. We also allow you to upload and interact with PDB files, and we have a full Office 365 integration so that you can interact with your Office documents, edit them in Office for the web, having changes automatically updated within the ELN, and you will even have the option to bulk import assay data directly from the ELN page into the activity and registration system. Lastly, within the ELN, you have the ability from this Eppendorf tube to insert assay annotation. Assay annotation utilizes semantic web ontologies and a smart form in order to help you populate and describe your bioassays in a machine-readable and consistent manner. Once you have filled out the form, you will get a little blurb that you can copy to your clipboard and utilize as part of your methods sections. In addition, once you have populated your ELN entries, searching the ELN is very simple. You would scroll up to the top, navigate to the ELN tab, and that would take you to the ELN search interface, from which you can build a search across all of your entries. Searches can be comprised of project-based searches because all ELN entries will reside within a project in your own vault. In addition, you can utilize filtering in order to filter your entries based on the author and custom user-defined fields such as that experiment type dropdown. You can combine this filtering and the project selection with keyword searching, and we will actually return the specific ELN entry and show you where in the body or any attachments like PDF and Excel files where we have found your particular keyword.